Come with me as we travel to New York. We just made it to Salt Lake and we're gonna have some lunch and then we'll be flying out in about 2 hours. So let's enjoy. Since we had 2 hours, we decided to stop at one of the restaurants. This one is called the Market Street Grill and the food was so good. And as you can tell, I was genuinely excited to get on the plane and head to New York. It was after midnight when we landed, but we were still going to travel to Brooklyn. So we're staying with a friend of mine, and look at this sweet sign that she made us. We stayed up way too late trying to catch up and just laughing and having a great time. So we slept in and we're gonna go grab something to eat. But as you can tell, it's been raining and I absolutely love this kind of weather. So this was a perfect way to start my stay in New York. My friend Tara was telling us about a pizza place that she absolutely loves. Like I said, we're here in Brooklyn and it's within walking distance. So we're gonna go ahead and take our time, just kind of stroll on over and enjoy this pizza. And look how nice this is. You can see they have a seating area outside. And of course, because it's raining, we're just gonna go ahead and eat inside, but you can just smell everything. Okay, so check out this pizza. Tara recommended it. It's called the Grandma Pizza, and it is so incredibly good. And along with the pizza, we ended up ordering the sausage roll, which is sausage, peppers, and cheese, and that was also really good. I did end up telling the guys that this was my first time in New York, and they said they were going to make dinner memorable. So the guys ended up bringing over a wonderful dessert. It's an Italian pastry, and it's pronounced, and I certainly hope I get this right, zeppole. So it was absolutely wonderful. They surprised us with it, and they just said that they really hope that we enjoyed the dinner there. So it was great, a great way to end the night. And if you've watched any of my videos, especially the shorts videos, you will know that I have a sweet tooth. So this was right up my alley. I loved it. I love that they had the oven right up front and you can see exactly what they're doing. So that was really cool. And the guys were super happy that I was filming. They even said, hey, what will you do if you put us on your channel? And I said, I'll shout out your name. So thank you guys for letting me film and letting us enjoy this amazing, wonderful dinner. All right, you guys, next time I'm in New York, you know I'm stopping by. It's another rainy day and we're actually going to take the subway into the city. So rain is not going to stop us. And if you haven't been to New York, or even if you have, I really want you to be able to see it with me. So I'm going to show you as much of the city as possible and all of the different places that I end up going. And that way we can experience it together. Now, I am a hopeless romantic, so we're going to go into this restaurant called Serendipity 3. If you've seen the movie, put a comment in the comments below. And if you haven't, you've got to watch it. It is definitely one of my favorites. Now, I ended up getting the crispy fish tacos, and the spicy mayo on it was just perfect. And look at this dessert. Like I said, I have a sweet tooth. So we finished lunch and we walked over to the plaza, and we're actually just going to do a lot of sightseeing today. We're going to be heading over to the cathedral, and I'm just going to be showing as much video and photographs really as possible so that you guys can all see what we're doing. The plaza was elegant, but look at the cathedral. Oh, it was so majestic. I just love New York. So we are here at Rockefeller Center and it is beautiful. I can honestly say the rain did not bother me at all. It's like it added to the ambiance and I loved it. So check this out. Okay, so we walked through these doors and I don't know if we're supposed to walk through these doors, but we happen to see. That would be a dream. I'd love to meet him. We're having dinner. We are having such an amazing time and I wanted to show you their view. It is spectacular. I love it. Okay, so we are on our way back to the city. It's a brand new day. My daughter and Tara are actually going to a place called Urban Glass, and then I'm going to be there for a little while, and then I'm going to meet up with a friend of mine downtown. Okay, this is all glass, and we will see what this ends up being. Safety first. I'm here to protect my eyes.
Spark, and light it. It lights. Yes! Thank God I did it because she's videotaping it. And then you don't have to keep it in the flame because you could crack your bead really soft. Now the glass is heating. First try, and you spin the mandrel as the glass is going on, and you cut it, and there you go. You got glass on the mandrel. You put that down on your, and you're shaping.
Okay, so Tara and my daughter are going to keep making beads. They're going to stay here at Urban Glass. I'm going to get myself ready because I'm going to go downtown by myself to meet up with a friend of mine for lunch. I made it. So I am at a restaurant called Del Frisco's. We're right in the heart of downtown. We did end up meeting down on the first floor for lunch, but I did want to show you the view from up here. I did let her know I was going to walk around downtown for a while, and she was insistent that I make it back home before it got dark, since I really don't know my way around, and she just wanted to make sure that I'm safe. So let me just show you a little bit of downtown while I'm here, and then we'll start heading back. Okay, so it's time to head back. I'm going to meet up with Natalie and Tara, and then we're going to get a little tour of Urban Glass. And the great thing is some of these items are actually up for sale, so they do have a shop in there. And let me show you some of the unique pieces they have here. The display of talent, it's absolutely wonderful. Now these are some of the beads that Tara has made, and this collection is by Deborah Zaresco. She was actually on the Netflix show Blown Away. I just woke up from a very much needed nap and I was exhausted, but in a very fun kind of way. So now I'm just going to have some pizza that we had left over. I'm going to grab an apple and just enjoy the rest of the night. I am set up. I've got my pizza, I've got my apple slices, I've got YouTube on. So I've got my favorites, and believe it or not, Emma Chamberlain is one of them. I think she is amazing. So in a quirky, fun, extremely intelligent kind of way. So anyway, I am going to go ahead and watch a couple of her episodes, and I don't remember the last time she posted a new one, and hopefully not fill up too much so I can go to bed. Okay, so this is actually Tara's official 50th birthday. So we are here with family and friends, and we're just going to celebrate all together. So I'm really not going to record anymore, but definitely make sure that you subscribe, hit that notification bell. I really hope that you've been enjoying this video and being able to really see New York through your own eyes. So I'm really hoping to be capturing these moments really well for you. Anyway, make sure you stay tuned. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm going to be posting another video for the rest of our trip. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Again, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so when that next video comes out, you'll be notified. All right, I'll see you in the next video.